Greenland. Anchored in the wild North Atlantic is a vast, remote land, mostly covered by a permanent ice sheet. It's inhospitable, it's cold, it's really cold, and while the sea holds a bounty, the land offers little. We come to Greenland to follow a story, two actually, stories of bold exploration and of defiant endurance, of heroism and of calamitous change. Both take place in little settlements at the edge of the ice cap. We only know the outcome of one story, and it didn't end well.
In the capital Nuuk, we met with Christian Koch-Madsen, Deputy Director of the Greenland Museum and one of the world's foremost experts on Norse culture.
He told us how the Norse came in search of polar bear skins, walrus ivory, and narwhal tusks that they sold on as unicorn horns. They came as farmers, with sheep and cows, but they left with nothing. Falling markets for ivory and a climate event in a far-off land finally saw them disappear. From Nuuk, we travel south, first by plane to Narsarsuaq and then by boat to Qasiarsuaq. Here, we explored southern Greenland by kayak and then on foot, along the fjord's shore, strewn with icebergs. We walked along the fjord to pick up our second story, that of Inuit sheep farmers, today eking a living off the land. We met the third generation ancestors of the pioneers who boldly started farming here again, against all the odds. People like Carl and Ellen, who let us share a table with them. They speak with a quiet pride of their ancestors who came before them, but they are faced with immense challenges of their own. In 2007, Ellen told me the climate began to change, to become unpredictable. The harvest to feed the sheep in winter began to fail. There are uncertain times here, but Ellen remains hopeful. In 2017, UNESCO added parts of southern Greenland to the World Heritage List for bearing witness to two cultures centuries apart, in the hope it will be continued for another 1,000 years. We just want to continue what we're doing, Ellen told me, and I hope it will be like that. As we leave for Narsarsuaq and our plane back to Copenhagen, our boat slaloms around the ice. In the other direction, a vessel of tourists pass. They've too come to see the beauty of this land and enjoy the generosity and spirit of the Greenlanders. I leave convinced the second story won't have a happy ending, but hopefully no ending at all.